Hi guys, welcome to the room tour of the Duplex suite, and this is number 2516 at the Hyatt Regency Barcelona Tower. So as you come in the Duplex suite, you can see there's a huge big living and dining area down the stairs in the suite. It's beautiful. As you come in the suite, there is a guest toilet, which is always handy when you have people over to your room, maybe for drinks before dinner. And in the main living space there is a really big TV, in fact it's huge. Some storage there, lovely seating areas here and there, and in this cabinet you will find your fully stocked mini bar, and there's also some treats and snacks up there if you get peckish. Apart from the fact that these suites are really spacious, the one thing that I love probably the most about them is the huge big windows. I mean, if you look out, this is just at this side more so a city view, but look how pretty it is already. It's not fully dark yet, but got a gorgeous view, and floor to ceiling windows, which is beautiful. So this is down the stairs, so you head upstairs in the suite. I'm going to try my best not to fall. Head up the stairs. Now actually I tell a lie, because my favourite thing about this suite has to be the in-room jacuzzi bath with view. I almost forgot about that one. So yeah, I mean, this is the star of the show basically. Huge big jacuzzi tub, and beautiful views. So think how nice that'll be at night with a glass of bubbly in a bubbly bath. Yeah, so looking forward to that. Huge big bedding looks lovely and comfortable. Another huge big TV, and then they've got this almost open plan vanity wardrobe area, so plenty of space to hang up your stuff. Lots of little drawers. You've got a safe, you have your iron. Guess these are like jewellery drawers and things like that. So you have plenty of storage there. Little bathroom in there, and then in here is a big rainfall shower, which looks like it's got jets and stuff as well, so that looks pretty cool. Excited to try that. And what I love as well is there is tons and tons of toiletries and stuff, just in case you've missed anything, because I have a habit of leaving home without toothbrushes or just certain things. So yeah, there's plenty. There's even facial soap, body bars, shampoos, conditioners. What else have they got? Hygiene kits, loofahs. Oh, we're being spoiled. So yeah, this lovely vanity area there, plenty of fluffy towels. So yeah, the suites are, look how pretty. The suites are really spacious. I am so excited to get in that bed tonight. It looks so comfortable, but most of all I cannot wait to get into that tub. So this is the Duplex suite, and we are staying here for 2 nights at the Hyatt Regency Barcelona Tower Hotel in Barcelona.